We're here at the park with Grandma, looking fly with her curls in her hair. The boys are happy and swinging, got their toes in the breeze. They are so cute and happy. Caesar! Caesar, are you having fun?
Look at Mommy.
Say hi. Alright, let's get up close. Let's get some more pushing. Woo! Oh, yeah, I like those smiles. You can see all your teeth. Yeah. Alright, let's check out Caesar. Caesar! Oh, yay! Woo! 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 You guys are so handsome. All right. Good video.